ICDI, we work in a village in order to help that village in a development process. The best way into the village is through water. When we go to a village and drill a well, let's just take the village of Yamando. Some of the people from Design Outreach have been there to Yamando, and you see the people's excitement when we're coming and we drill a well and they see water coming out of that well, and then we cannot figure out a way to get that water out on a consistent basis. The discouragement that happens emotionally to that village, to the village chief, to everybody there, that they have to go back to the hour-long walk to find water that really isn't sanitary anyway, it's really hard to cope with, because we've spent money, we've worked hard to do our best to do it, but there's no solution. Not having a pump that we can put on that to provide them with the water in their village so they can eliminate the walk and the problem with the sanitation of that water is really hard. A new pump that is going to be more reliable adds value to who we are, because we place a pump there that doesn't break down quickly. When the two founders, Abe Wright and Greg Bixler, started talking to me about Design Outreach and what they wanted to do, I was very excited, because I knew I needed this pump for it had been 6 years. And so when they started talking about, well, we think we can figure this out, and here's the ways we can do that, and we'll find some volunteers, I got really excited, because finally there was somebody really talking that here's a solution. I had tried all kinds of things, ordered all kinds of pumps, spent a lot of money, and had no solution. And as the volunteers started gathering around this project, it had raised my expectations, but also my excitement. And I've watched these men work, I've watched them test out things, I've watched them prove out things where I'd like to just go install it, and they say, well, wait a minute, we need to check this out. And I think my excitement has increased as we've begun to partner with more and more organizations around Design Outreach to really make this work.